Hey there! Welcome to this video where I will be guiding you on how to remove your profile picture on the Facebook app. It's a simple process that will take just a few seconds, and I will show you the steps to follow. The first step is to open the Facebook app on your mobile device. If you are already logged in, skip this step. Tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the Facebook app to access your profile. Tap on your current profile picture, and you will see an option that says Edit Profile Picture. Tap on this option. On the next screen, you'll see your current profile picture. Tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a pop-up with some option. If you want to save your profile picture to your phone, tap on Save to Phone first before removing this picture. Then, simply tap on Delete Photo to remove your profile picture from Facebook. That's it. Your profile picture has been deleted from Facebook. If you want to add a new picture later, just follow the same steps we just went through. Removing your profile picture on the Facebook app is easy and straightforward. You can do it in just a few taps, and it won't take up much of your time. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.